baby girl, have a seat.
Hey, Allan Okello here, bypass and the Uganda Cranes player. Football has shaped my life from the local grounds of Lira to stadiums across Africa. That's why today is special.
Omuzadde wobanga nno watuseeko wali tosuubira ng'omwana naye n'omala mukama n'akuyamba n'otuukawo naye bw'otyo n'otunula emabega ng'omuzaddewo eyandibaddewo nga celebratinga naawe tomulabako. Leero nno ye story ya Allan Okello gwe nanage mumanyi footballer munange yalabiseeko awo ku podcast nga nyonyola story ye gye yayitamu ng'akula bw'atyo n'afiirwa maama we mu nsonga za witchcraft. Anyonyodde bambi olugero lwe naye mu bulumi obungi bw'atyo ng'agamba maama wange yanwanira ensonga agenze nga zitaanya era kavidiyo mugenda bamukalaba naye nga tunayongera mu maaso. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Baby Nels era mbagamba nti mukwano oba ogudde ku channel yange olunaku olwaleero nkwebaza okubeera nga weekumiddeko. We are all about marriage, faith and motherhood. Ekikwatagana ku marriage, ekikwatagana ku faith oba motherhood mukwano tuba tukijjayo ku social media ne tukireeta wano ne tuba nga tukyogerako oba munaye ng'ensonga tuziyanja. Kakati nno olwaleero mukwano mwe tulabidde footballer waffe omututumuufu mukwano ono muteebi w'amaanyi nnyo era nga ye Allan Okello. Allan Okello nno si muntu si mukulu muvubuka muto era nga Uganda Cranes ayina wagitadde ku maapu era mukwano agenze n'abanga anyonyola bamubuuza ku story ye background ye mukwano n'abeera nga ajjayo emotional part of his life ng'agamba munaye maama wange yafaako ya maama we yafa nga ayina emyaka 13 kati nga womanyi munnange we are all about motherhood and marriage and faith kati kino kikwatagana ku motherhood ngamba munnange kitukwata ku ffe ng'abazadde bamaama neno story nayo katubeere nga tugireeta wano era nga tujjogerako mukwano tuli mu African society era tukimanye nti mukwano eddogo ddyo munnange mu African society ddyo libeerangamu ate ng'ebiseera ebisinga munnaye biba mu family members nze simanyi nakumanya naye munnange obanga oli mwana muto n'okula n'omanya ensonga lwaki muzadde bwe yafa ebiseera ebisinga ogenda n'owulira maama we baamuloga maama we yafa buno bw'ati maama wo kwegamba yafa obanga akulwanira baali bakuloga ne maama we n'akuyamba ezo stories ziri so common nawe woba oli eyo oyinza obba nga you can relate nga munaye wakula wali okyali muto n'okula mukula bw'ogenda ng'owulira aba relative baga maama wonono yafa ddogo maama we yafa ddogo omanyi obulimu bw'oyinza okuwulira olwo nno ng'olina w'otuuse olwo okoze ssente zo obanga wandyagadde omuzadde oba maama wo oba taata wo abeerewo acelebrating nawe success yo naye nga munnange maama wo taliiwo naye ng'okuwulira kyeyafa teyafa natural death yafa witchcraft. Yes tuli balokole naye tetujja kugamba mbuno witchcraft eriyo ye gyeri eddogo gyeriri abantu balogera ddala bannaabwe ate mu bintu olumu nga muna ensonga tezina mitwe n'amagulu bw'atyo Allan Okello anyonyodde story ye naye kansooke ngibawe then twettaanye ensonga wano wonna.
When I lost my mom, I went into depression. I stopped playing football for over a year because I was thinking life has ended. Everything is ending there because I loved her so much. I went through a lot when I was in the village with her. So she did so much and she got sick. The reason why she got sick, I think that's another day, is another thing to say because it is all about traditional things and all that, about all that belief of, she was killed and all that, and it was all because of me, because they were also doing that thing. I don't know, I can't bring it up, but sometimes I just wanted to go that way, and yeah, but today.
Do you mean witchcraft?
Yeah, something like that. It's all about witchcraft, something like that. So
she was killed. She just didn't die.
That's how it's they say. That's how it's said because when I was at school, I just get a call from. Actually, when I was at school, when I lost my mom, I had to finish my holidays. When I was going back for holidays, it was always my dad coming to pick me up. This time around, my uncle came for me to pick me up. I was wondering, I was like, why is my uncle coming for me this time around? My uncle told me, dad is busy, this and this, I'm the one who has come to pick you up, so we need to go home. When he did that, when I reached home in the town where we used to stay, I didn't spend more than 5 minutes. I was transported away back to the village where my mom was going to be buried. Then that's when I realized we had lost someone, but I hadn't known the person we had lost. So they told me to go and see the person we lost on the casket for me to realize it was my mom.
That was the first time you were knowing?
Yeah. I was not told anything at all. That was the first time I was aware that, oh, I've lost my mom. I was into shock. They told me, oh, we almost lost my dad too, because he went crazy because we had lost my mom and all that. But anyway, it's so emotional.
As a 13-year-old?
Yeah, as a 13-year-old by then.
Do you remember the thoughts, the emotions?
I remember everything.
What was the first question that came to mind?
I was like, the first question when I asked my dad was like, what happened? What killed my mom? He told me she was sleeping very well, eating very well, because I left when she was sick. She had, the legs were because by then her legs was so huge. They said that put witchcraft stuff into her legs, but by the time I left for school, she was getting way better. We had a pastor who prayed for us. I got better because I had issues before. I have my issues that I had when I was younger. I can never tell that story because it was really, really crazy for me. When I was younger, when my mom is fighting for my health, by now, without my mom fighting for my health, fighting so much, looking out for pastors to pray for me and all that, to get better, I wouldn't be speaking here right now. And everything that keeps kicking in my mind is because her fighting for my life made her lose her life. So,
if you don't mind, Allan, and it's okay, emotions are okay.
Yeah.
By her fighting for your life, what do you mean exactly? You had a health situation or something?
Yeah, I had a...
It's okay.
Yeah, I had a problem with, it's all about witchcraft and all that. The people who did what they did to my mom, they started by doing that to me, to affect my dad, to affect my family. So by doing that to me, I always had issues with my health towards the end of the month, things like that. So my mom working so hard so that to make sure we went to way different hospitals in the northern region, I would say. I never had any issues with because towards the end of the month, sometimes I lose my breath. In the middle of the night, I switch off and I'm dead. So they have to pray for me, then I come back, something like that. So my mom fighting for me with all that, I believe that the people who did that, they started working on both of us to stop my mom from fighting for me. So from there, all in all, I got better. They prayed for me, I got better.
So you believe it's prayer and faith?
Yeah, and faith that made us get better. So when I got better, she also got better day by day. But the moment she was getting better, that's when we were losing her. So
okay,
that's how I lost my mom. Yeah, it's quite an emotional story. I've not gone so much into it because I don't want to bring hurt a lot about my family. But I would tell people out there, you never know. Just keep on fighting. Keep on praying. I'm a typical believer. I know where I come from. My dad is really a believer. Anyone out there, keep going, keep praying. I believe the Almighty God will never forget you. I'm the very right example right now. I'm speaking to you right now because the Lord Almighty God didn't forget me. Yeah.
Do you invoke Mom when you're playing your football? You're playing for her. Do you play for her?
Yeah. a lot. Most of the time when I score, I always give thanks to her. Part of reasons why I never gave up about football was when I lost her. Right now, I'd be like, Mom, I wish you were still alive to see where I am right now. But thankfully, my dad is watching me now, and I believe I'm really making him proud.
And Mom is also watching over you.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. Because it's been quite a journey. It's been quite a journey. Would have given up long time. When I lost my...
Awono nga webagamba mukama kyaterekera tekirivunda. Ono wabeera nga gaddewo oluggi olumu bw'atyo mukama akuyamba nakugwirawo oluggi olulala. Kati no story ya Allan Okello mukwano we nagiwulire munene mpira nkwatako kati nkimanye nti bantu abasinga gye muli nga ono story wogiwulidde orelatinga ogamba nange bwekityo bwekyali. Comment section yeri open beera munange ng'otusharingirako gwe kyo kyali kitya kikyali kika oba ogenda nawe mbeera ogivuunuka mukwano. Ebintu biruma ddala ng'olina wootuuseeko n'ojjukira nga muzadde wange yanwanira Katonda agambye nti maama we bw'atyo yafa ng'agezaako kulwanira bulamu bwe naye nga munaye kyali ki yali witchcraft. Kati mukwano nawe oyinza okubeera ng'oli eyo naye ng'ogamba bannange ono yakola eki yakola maama wange ekintu oba yakola muzadde wange ekintu bw'atyo muzadde n'ava mu bulamu bw'ensi eno naye maama wange yandibaddewo n'alaba kino. Obulumi obwo buluma. Ogenda otuuka ku Mother's Day nga buli muntu apositinze maama we nga gwe munaye tolina maama we gw'opositinga naye ng'omuntu gwe bagamba mbunno yakutuusako maama we obulabe bw'otyo oyinza obba ng'omulabako oba ng'omumanyi oba ng'ominako Oluganda oba kwegamba n'owulira ng'obulumi bukuluma naye mukama abeere munaye naawe ng'akugumya nekugamba look forward genda maaso ng'oluubirira ekyo mukama kye yakutegekera. Kansabe mukama kuteremu obwangu obeere nga munange naawe olina w'otuuka muzadde we eyo gy'ali abeere naye ng'asanyuka. Sigadde nze Baby Nels wano ku YouTube channel yange we are all about marriage, faith and motherhood. Nkujjukiza nti bambi bw'obanga tonaba kusubscribinga beera nkusubscribinga video giweka like era neka notification bell kateekeko buli kimu kikwatagana ku marriage, faith and motherhood ojjaba okifuna wano wonna bulambalamba. I love you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.